In today's video, let me show you how to fix the TikTok login problem with Facebook. So if you log into your TikTok account using your Facebook account and you're now having issues with it, in this video, let me show you a few things that you can try out. This is mainly due to the bug with the TikTok application. So what you can do in this case is try to clear out the app cache as well as the data of the TikTok application. Just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this settings page, head over to storage and tap on the clear data option where you'll be able to see both of the clear data as well as clear cache. You can just tap on the clear data option. What this will do is log you out of your account. So you'll need to log in back and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be now fixed. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. Then in this situation, what you can do is create a TikTok password. So instead of logging in using your Facebook, you can try creating your password. And then from now on, whenever you log in, instead of using your Facebook account, you just need to type in your password. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.